Here we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C220 CDI AMG Sport Edition Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. We also have the polar white exterior paintwork. We have the daytime running lights. We also have the Mercedes badge in the centre of the grille just there. Round to the passenger side, you find that we have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, brushed metal trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find that we have the pano glass roof, which is currently open. We also have the shark fin antennae as well. We have the rear spoiler lip just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We have the exhaust just down there. If you take a quick look at the boot, just by opening it like so, you'll find that we have plenty of space just inside of there for whatever you may need to use it for. Storage net on the left as well, but closing that back up, you'll come around to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a quick look at the interior, coming into the front you find that we have the half leather interior with the blue and white stitching. We also have the two seats at the back as well with the fixed ISO points just there, as you can see. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated as well, as you can see just down there. We have the electric windows and the electric mirrors just there. We have the auto lights, a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, close the door, then you'll find that we have the speed limiter and the cruise control stalk just down there. We also have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. If we put our foot on the brake and turn the key, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that will be free from any warning lights. So we can adjust the view using this side of the steering wheel. So if we flick through different options, you can see you get different bits of information just here like so. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat nav just there. Putting the car into reverse, you find that we have the reversing camera as well, just there. Put it back into park though. We also have the radio. As you can see, we have the radio. We have all the shortcuts down here, so if we press onto the disc, you find the DVD disc just there. We also have the phone connectivity as well. If we go up and control over onto the system, we can adjust the time just there. We also have the Mercedes-Benz apps as well as the internet, radio and many other options as well. Further down we have the heated seats on either side. We also have the climate control just here with the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do, with the gear stick just there. We also have 12-volt connectivity just hidden away behind there. We have the cup holders hidden inside of there as well. Armrest which can be opened up if we just press onto that button, and inside of there you find some extra space along with a USB port. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.